Hi everybody. Recently I did a short video of how to play the Phrygian mode as it relates to G major. So we're going to continue in that venue with how do you play the Lydian mode as it relates to G major. So Lydian is the fourth mode out of the sequence of 7 modes. So you're going to start on the fourth note of the G major scale. So G, A, B, C. So C is the fourth note of the G major scale. So that's going to be the first note of the Lydian mode in the key of G. So what you're going to do is you're going to play the G major scale, but you're going to start on C and keep playing up. You're not going to stop on G, you're going to stop on C. All right, so it sounds like this. Sounds a little odd, doesn't it? Well, that's the Lydian mode, and the Lydian mode is a very popular mode in a lot of Western European music. So it's very important that you learn it if you want to play Celtic music, for example, or Cape Breton music or whatever. If you have any questions, the links to all my websites are down below, and I hope you have a great day.